It is 1168th hand pump. The name of village is Hathrai, Ashok Meghwar Jo Paro, Union Council Dabhdo, Tailko Deeplo, Thar Desert, Sindh. It is donated on behalf of Bhemani Real Estate Group Canada by Dr. Ram Bhemani in the memory of his mother Shrimati Jasoda, who left this world on 9th December 2009. And today we are inaugurating the hand pump installed in front of Ashok Meghwar's house. Muneer Welfare Trust has been working to provide sweet drinking water to water-starved people of Thar since 2014. 1168th hand pump was donated on the behalf of Bhemani Real Estate Group Canada by Dr. Ram Bhemani in the memory of his mother Shrimati Jasoda, who left this world on 9th December 2009. May Almighty place his departed soul in peace. अम्मा वॾी तुंहिंजो नालो छा आहे?
मुंहिंजो नालो कमला।
कमला, अशोक केॾां वियो आहे?
अशोक वियो आहे कम ते।
छो त असां देरि सां पहुतासीं त हू कम ते वियो हलियो। अच्छा अम्मा, हिन ते घणा घर आहिनि?
5 घर आहिनि।
5 घर आहिनि। ही घणनि फुटनि ते आयो आहे?
5 फुट ते।
25? 55 फुटनि ते आयो आहे। अच्छा अच्छा। पानी मिठो है, खारो है?
पानी कलर है, भलो है।
All are requested to come forward to help these water-starved people of Thar Desert. हलायो पुट, हलायो, पानी हलायो। Dr. Ram Bhemani was progressive man of Sindh, and he is now pro-humanity man working for the people of Sindh.